Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Jeff from Baxter Memorial Library and welcome to today's ukulele tutorial. I'd love to teach you all how to play one of the most popular songs on the planet, Happy Birthday. I think this is a great beginner song for all of you who are joining me now. It is excellent at this point in time to go on back to the original 4 videos that I posted. They're wonderful introductory videos. We'll go over the parts of the ukulele, how to tune the ukulele, very important, and some basic chords, one of which we'll be playing in this song today. Now, I would say that this is an excellent beginner song in that it's wonderful for your memory. It's an excellent exercise in that regard. We have 3 chords that we play in this song. One of them I would consider an option. We have F, C7, and the option B minor. This one's really tricky to play. I myself have trouble with it. One of the things that I love to remind you all is that when you are playing these chords and you're not holding down all the strings at once, it's important to keep your fingers shaped as though you're holding a ball. So you want them nice and curved. With B minor, I myself have trouble doing that. That is because we are holding down this 3rd and 4th string with our index finger, and our middle finger is up here on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and then your ring finger is all the way up there on the 1st string, 3rd fret. And it sounds something like that. You might be able to play it a little better than I. So this is the chord that I'm calling an option. If you don't want to play it in Happy Birthday, no one will notice. That is the secret to music, is that you look like you know exactly what you're doing, which obviously you do, right? Okay, so I'll play the first segment of this song on my own, and then I'll ask you all to join in with me. Here we go with Happy Birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, did you see what I did there? Start playing F on birthday, right at birth. Play that F, and you're going to continue to down strum on it. That means your thumb is going down towards the floor, not up towards the ceiling. And on the first U, you'll switch to C7. And on the second U, you're back to F. Let's try it together one time. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Ooh, you. It's important to play the right chords at the right time. Then again, if somebody doesn't know what you're doing, you're just going to sneak it right under there, aren't you? Let's try that one more time together. Ready? On F. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay. Excellent sounding, I would say. If you happen to sound a little bit off, feel free to take a moment to take a pause and tune the ukulele. It is incredible how quickly these ukuleles get out of tune. Even I myself am wondering, is this correct? I'm going to say that it is, since I just tuned it 4 minutes ago. All right. This is where the B minor comes in for when we go up to Happy Birthday, dear Percy. I don't actually know if it is Percy's birthday, but I figure he would be an excellent candidate to practice for. Happy birthday, dear Percy. Happy birthday to you. You see what I did there? I stuck with that B minor all the way down from birthday, dear Percy. Happy birthday to C7 to you. It's very quick from the birthday to you. It's an excellent resolution to a very popular song. Is it not? All right, let's try this one together. And again, if you don't want to play the B minor here, perfectly fine just to sing the happy birthday without it. I might have said that a few times, but I really want to drive home that point. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, dear Percy. Happy birthday to you. So how are we feeling about that? Let's try that one more time, and then we'll play the whole song together. I've just realized that my strumming is out of frame. I do apologize. I really want to emphasize the fingering position here. I think you all can figure out how to strum it, yes? So again, here we go with happy birthday, birthday. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday, dear Percy. Happy birthday to you. All right, feeling good? Let's try it all together, the whole song. 3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Percy. Happy birthday to you. You might have just noticed that I took a little liberty there and a slight pause on the strumming. Either way sounds great. You can add your own embellishes, if you will. So thank you all for joining me on this birthday song tutorial lesson. I hope that you all have a wonderful rest of your day and a wonderful rest of your week. Enjoy practicing how to play Happy Birthday, and before you know it, you're not even going to have to look at this video. I think you might even know it now. Take care, everybody.